Steps 1. Preparing the fishing line. Cut the fishing line about 3 to 4 feet, about 1 to 1.2 meters, depending on the conditions and depth of the waters you will be fishing. 2. Hooking the carabiner. Tie a carabiner to one end of the fishing line. This carabiner will be used to hang the float. 3. Adding a buoy. Hang the float to the carabiner that was attached in the previous step. This will help you see when there is a bite on the hook. 4. Adding a sinker. About 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, from the non-carabined end, tie a fishing line weight. This weight will make your bait reach the desired depth. 5. Hanging the first hook. About 18 to 24 inches, 45 to 60 centimeters, above the weight of the fishing rod, tie the first hook to the fishing line. Make sure the hook is strong and secure. 6. Hanging a second hook. About 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, above the first hook, tie the second hook to the fishing line. Make sure these hooks are also strong and secure. Once you are done with the steps above, you will have a set of 2 hooks that are ready to use. Be sure to test the bond strength and ensure that all components are properly attached before you start fishing.